Morning! It is the second last day of my visit in Cairns and we're heading to the Daintree rainforest. So apparently it's just a boat trip of 30 minutes and I'm about to eat my feeds. I should eat this before I forget about it. First expectations of the sweet red dragon fruit. Good. Much sweeter than the white ones. Look at perfection. First stop ever. Found a coconut beach, and you can get organic coconuts for $2. Getting my Polaroid. Kachinko. Yeah, falling coconut. This is ready. I'm gonna buy some. Look at this, it's ready. Third stopover. What is this place?
It's a crocodile view.
Ah, okay. Oh, I should have brought my. I'll bring my other camera actually, fuck. Sorry. Yep. So we're checking. It's a common place to see crocodiles here apparently.
I can't see anything there.
Nothing there. Nothing at all. Yeah.
Where that circle is in the water,
Oh yeah, there's some movement down there. Could be fish as well. There could be lots of barramundi here as well.
The water is high at the moment. Usually there's like a sandbank back there.
Oh yeah.
There's sunlight.
Okay.
Maybe on the way back if we have time to
Yeah.
stop again. Maybe the tide is low, I don't know. I'll probably still sleeping.
Partying out too late. So quiet.
Say, like you see. I don't know if it's like the little.
Is that a crook? Yeah, that's definitely not a fish. They need meat. Pop your head up. Emma is They just made it to Port Douglas to get some coffee, the bougie area. Pretty nice, got a golf course. And we'll get a feed and we'll go for another drive. Might get a bit of breakfast, maybe, who knows. Yeah, what's it? What?
In that tube that's next to the
Dead owl? What the heck? We need the way. Just arrived to the markets. Yeah. We got opals there as well. That's pretty sick. A Boulder opal. That's pretty sick. Fun. We can't go adventuring because there's a gas. My car's stuck there. It might take a couple hours, but sucks to be us.
stuck in Port Douglas.
After 3 hours, we can finally go home. Whoop-de-doo. Let's see if we can make the trip to Daintree. If not, yeah. Not yet. Laws is outside because she's afraid. But, it should be good. Be good, son, be good. Can't wait to get out of this place. Doesn't smell like gas. Yeah. There's air car. What the fuck? To the river. Okay. $47 and we have time. No way we can swim it. Crocodiles. Yeah. cable. So it's not really a boat, it's a cable boat. So we arrived to the Daintree rainforest to get ice cream. Apparently it's good.
I'll get one of them. We have the yellow one.
Oh yeah, so this is more chocolatey.
Yeah, so that will go brown when it's ripe.
Yeah.
So that's like in the unripe stage.
Okay.
It slowly goes soft, and then you cut it open and it looks like literally like chocolate. So yeah, like a brownie kind of.
I love how they close it up. Like, guess the casseroles eat it. Get our ice cream.
You wanna have it first and then wander?
Yeah.
Wander on the book.
Yeah, first table. So what's in this? What is in this ice cream? Wattle seed. Passion fruit. Yellow sapote.
Coconut underneath.
Coconut, okay. Look at that triplet. Let's try it. Cheese. The sapote tastes nice. Exactly like the fruit. Like cheesecake. What it tastes like? It tastes like a Filipino cheese. And they put it, the fake cheese, and they put it on the ensaymada with the sugar. Yeah. You tried ensaymada? Yeah. Very sugary.
It says like, yeah, but what is it actually? Is it actual cheese?
Yeah, it's cheese, yeah.
So it tastes so sweet on the pastry.
That's passion fruit, standard taste.
Well, it's nice and creamy.
And the last one was yellow sapote, a wattle seed.
The sapote is nice.
What does it taste like?
So nice and creamy.
What does this taste like? Like a different ice cream, something similar?
Vacation like this.
Oh, it's a bit more sharp. It's a bit more sharp. Yeah.
It's more roasty.
Yeah.
Like almond.
Yeah.
Like definitely roasted.
Roasted, yeah. Nice and creamy.
It's nice, isn't it?
It's a go. Daintree cream and co.
And their coconut is also always good. I mean, they got plenty of coconut.
Coconut, of course, yeah.
So that's always one of the flavors. But it's on fleek.
Yeah, it's creamy.
What's your favorite?
I like the sapote.
It's the strongest, with the wattle seed.
The wattle seed, yeah. I don't know, I have to get used to the wattle seed.
You're not a nutty guy?
I think it's missing more creaminess. It's creamy, but I don't know. Maybe because I'm trying to compare it to Riviera. Different. Apple and orange. Yeah, it's good.
He's not listening. Hope your microphone is on.
I'm out of it. It is on. Is it on? It's green, yeah? It's green.
It's green, yeah.
Oh gosh. So peaceful here. What is that? It's giant mango trees. that pandan? Pandan. Yeah, they're pineapples. Pandan? I don't know. Looks like pandan. This looks like... What is that? Is that siote? Oh shit, it's so muddy here. Oh my gosh. Didn't wear my hiking boots today, so... Trees here. What's this? What is this, lads? Everyone knows? That, you know, potatoes. Oh! Ripped to the car. Native bees. There's a bee house in there. Okay. Stingless. Oh, okay. That's good to know. They won't sting me. Got dragon fruit. Let's put it on sticks. It's a different layout. This is pretty huge. My mum would love this layout. Looks like cocoa. Coca. We got the soursop up there.
Where's that?
The soursop's up here.
Soursop?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah, up there you see the nest.
See the green ant nest up there.
Ants love it.
Green ants love the soursop. Or rotten. That's his starfruit tree.
Yeah, that's enough.
Banana trees. There's no cocoa on it.
The one we just had, yeah?
Yeah. Fruit. That's really big. Never seen one this size. Yeah, that's massive, man.
Where did it come from?
Probably
There's
this tree.
nothing else on this tree, so.
Wow. Yeah, that's cool. Never seen tea field before. old tea fields. Let's buy some tea. Daintree tea. Let's see old sifting machines here. So a time capsule. $50 for $5. $4. Okay, let's try it. So I got the tea bags and the loose ones, and special donations.
Yeah, pretty cool.
Yeah. Get the leaf tea packing machines, tea bag machines, fiber extractor sorters, dryers the size of TCTCs, feeder, and the orange machine. Very dark. Sorry folks, I haven't been recording as much today just because it was a freaking pain. We stayed in Port Douglas and we were about to go to our car and there was a gas leak, so I was pissed off the whole day. Had to wait three freaking hours doing shit. I was losing my mind. I went for a walk. I think my Laws got pissed at me for no reason. Yeah, about other stuff, but I don't want to go in there. But yeah, went on the ramps, did a bit of a beach walk, got some coconuts, found some coconuts, got some sprouts. Freaking took ages to crack these coconuts. Chosen Martin Crocodiles and coconut sprout, or I like to call them the membrane. So delicious. Yeah, it's currently 10:43. Yep, and yeah, it's so funny. I was chopping up the coconuts, and the Japanese guys upstairs got pissed at me and wondering what I was doing. I thought he was gonna call the cops on me because I was freaking chopping my axe. At freaking 9 o'clock at night. Such a pain. I didn't want to go in the back, didn't want to scare the other people in the house as well, in the apartment. So yeah, it's okay, nice though. Gerber doesn't have the best shape. It doesn't have the best weight at the front to crack coconuts like a typical machete, but it's a nice compact package. I got it from the tent shop. I was actually looking for this at BCF, but the website said it's cheaper, but it was actually $20 more here in Cairns. So if you do want a mini axe, or I recommend something with a bit more weight, or like actual machete. I just wanted something compact just because I could carry it around and get some sugarcane and coconut. And yeah, what a day indeed. Also be a proper rally WRC director, just because Laws hasn't driven in a year, and she didn't tell me she has contacts. So, and I was getting too tired. I was driving like 8 or 9 hours today. So yeah, I'm freaking dead. I don't want to go back to Sydney. It's miserable and cold, but again, it's kind of rainy here. And yeah, I'll try to show snippets of it, and I'll try to edit this like as quickly as I can. But yeah, I'll try my best. I might vlog tomorrow and see if I'm bothered with the big camera. See you folks.